Welcome back. In this video, we are diving into one of the most critical areas of IT asset management, license and contract lifecycle management. Whether it's software license, hardware leases, or vendor contracts, managing the full lifecycle efficiently is the key to cost control and compliance. Let's take a closer look at how ServiceNow supports this. License and contract negotiation techniques. It all starts with negotiation phase, the foundation for a cost-effective and flexible contract. Define exact usage, usage terms like per user, per device, or concurrent use, and tie them into asset records. Consolidate purchases across departments to negotiate better volume pricing with vendors. Leverage longer commitments for picking advantage and renewal simplicity. Add clauses that cap price increase year over year for better financial predictability. These techniques can be documented in ServiceNow for future reference and procurement alignment. Managing contract expiry and leased assets. The real challenge, staying on top of timelines and lease terms. ServiceNow allows you to set renewal alerts ahead of time to avoid accidental lapses, map out lease starts and end dates with integrated reminders and budget impact forecasting, set workflows to trigger hardware returns, software renewal, or disposal requests when a term ends. Integrate with financial system to track asset depreciation over time aligned with accounting needs. ServiceNow ensures your teams aren't catch off guard by approaching deadlines. So I will show you these contract and licenses on my personal developer instance. So this is my personal developer instance, and if you want to if we go to license assets, then this table contain all the software licenses. If we open one of the record, then this is the software license, this is the display name of this license, and the model category is software license, and model is this, and this is some general information like its state, its asset tag, its company, assigned, installed, all the information is here. And if we check the financial, then the vendor information is here, like it's the name of the vendor is Microsoft, and in contracts you can add the lease contract, warranty expiration, and support group supported by, and this is the contract. If we open this contract, this is the contract of this particular license. So this is the model category of this contract, and this is the vendor of this contract, and this is contract number, and here's, if we go here, these are the some terms and conditions for this contract. So in this way the contracts and licenses are tied with each other, and we can use these license and contract for the assets in ServiceNow. Renewal management and alerts in ServiceNow. Now let's talk about how ServiceNow simplifies license and contract renewal management. Automated notification to asset managers or procurement heads before critical renewal dates. Link licenses directly to user devices or departments to validate need before renewing. Missed alerts can trigger escalations to department leads or IT finance for quick action. For pre-approved vendors or licenses, set up rules to auto-renew contracts under defined terms. This level of automation ensures timely action and reduces the risk of downtime or compliance issues. Asset retirement, disposal, and compliance. Finally, let's address the end of life phase of assets and contracts. ServiceNow lets you create standardized disposal workflows based on asset type and condition. Enforce software uninstallations or license reclamation as part of the retirement process. Align disposal with company policies and external regulations. Ensure secure data wiping and certified disposal for hardware tracked within the system. This closes the loop for both operational efficiency and regulatory safety. To recap, today we explored proven contract negotiation strategies, how to track and manage expiries and leases, ServiceNow's tools for automated renewals, and how to handle assets retirement with the compliance in mind. Up next in our item series, optimization, CMDB and discovery. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.